What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jess and you're watching Keto Rewind. Today is a fun video, a short and sweet, what I eat in a day to lose weight, get my keto game going on. So basically, I just want to show you what I'm going to be doing for my menu and meals today and some fun stuff in between. But first, I'm going to go get a workout in because my morning has literally gotten away from me and all I have time for is a quick walk. But you know what? That's all that matters. Just move your body. The distance, the time, the speed, none of that matters. Just going out and getting it done is what matters. So anyways, I'll meet you back here when it's time for lunch. Meanwhile, Cinder will wait here for us. And I just wanted to say thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. More on that later. All right, so I'm headed out the door, but I just wanted to say the hardest part of any workout is lacing up the shoes and getting it done. I will be back when I'm done with my walk. And move your body. All right, workout done. Now it's time for lunch. So let's go figure out what we can have for lunch today. Okay, lunch today is going to be a half tablespoon of butter or 7 grams. We're gonna fry up 3 eggs, 3 slices of Canadian bacon, and I'll meet you back when that is ready. All right, and we have 3 fried eggs with a total of 2 tablespoons of salsa. So we are all ready, and the Canadian bacon is finished cooking, so I'm just going to plate everything and enjoy. There is lunch, and after this I'm going to make some Greek yogurt. Okay, so lunch today we have 3 eggs with a half tablespoon of butter. We have 3 slices of Canadian bacon, and I did a total of 2 ounces or 30 grams of salsa on top of my eggs. And then I ended it with 170 grams of Greek yogurt mixed with a scoop of Perfect Keto strawberry collagen. So altogether that gave me 11 net carbs, 55 grams of protein, 26 grams of fat, and 511 calories. So that's lunch, and we'll be back. Sorry. All right, let's see what's in my Thrive Market box. So some fun facts about Thrive Market and why I personally love Thrive Market. For the most obvious reason, it's an online marketplace that makes healthy living affordable and accessible to everyone. Also, one of my other favorite things, it makes it real easy to search for your specific diet. For example, we do keto, so you can easily sort the menu options to just show keto items. And if you have multiple diets living or multiple lifestyles in your house, you know, from vegan to paleo to gluten-free to whatever your specific need is, you can sort by those items. So that makes it real easy to see everything in one place. Also, it's members only pricing, and on average, everybody saves about $32 per order. So if you're like me, you pay attention to shipping prices. Thrive Market has free shipping on every order over $49. First things first, seaweed snacks. My kids, my husband, my kids' friends, everybody's obsessed with these seaweed snacks. Plus, it's a great source for calcium. And speaking of kids, every month I order them their vitamins. These are significantly cheaper through Thrive than our local grocery store. I actually ran out and had to go out and get some, and it killed me to pay like $5 more each just to buy them locally. So, which prompted me to go place an order at Thrive. And we have unsweetened pizza sauce. We like to use like a crustless pizza where you just put mozzarella cheese in a pan, put some pepperoni on it, and top it with some marinara. So I wanted to try this one with it. Usually we use Victoria's or Rayo's, but definitely want to check that one out. I like Primal. The Primal Kitchen line has real good quality ingredients. And next up we have, as you can see, the packaging is very well wrapped. It's recyclable materials. And we have traditional marinara sauce. We've been using this quite a bit too, especially when I'm making my turkey stuffed peppers. All right, next we have coconut milk. I'm into like kind of like Indian and stir fry type dishes. So I got unsweetened coconut milk to make some curry meals with this week. And a lot of people like hate curry. A lot of people love curry, but I am a fan. The more the merrier. Curry and turmeric. And because I like to put salsa on my eggs, on my chicken, salads, burgers, I went ahead and thought we would try the organic salsa. That's the Thrive Market brand. All right, we have another. This one caught my eye when I was shopping, and it's Sriracha Tahini. Tahini reminds me of like peanut, or used like kind of like that flavor. So I was wondering if this is more like a spicy peanut type dressing. So it grabbed my attention. It may be horrible, it may be great. We'll find out. But if you have a nut allergy, I think tahini is one of the things you can use in place. I'm not positive, but. All right, and next we have the Thrive Market brand ranch dressing. I feed my kids lots of vegetables, and if I provide a splash of ranch to dip their vegetables in, they will eat their veggies. So that's a mom win. Next up we have, this one also grabbed my attention. Summer's coming, and lots of Greek dressings for salads, marinades, grilling vegetables. So I'm hoping this one's good, but the Thrive Market brand, again, dressing and marinade, Greek dressing and marinade. And next up we have fajita seasoning. Sometimes it's just so much easier to open a package and pour in. So we're gonna give that a test. This is one of my favorite brands of red curry. So that's gonna go with the coconut milk. I'll do a video on that when I make a red curry. And then we also have taco seasoning. Again, these are all low carb, sugar-free, just real clean ingredients. And then I also, since I've been doing lots of workouts where I'm sweating a lot, these people actually contacted me to sponsor a video, but I thought I'd try them out for myself first. So thankfully, Thrive carries them. And these citrus salt, raspberry salt, and orange salt electrolytes. And of course, this for Kyle. Had to get him something. It's his birthday month. Apple cider vinegar paleo puffs. And I guess I got two of the taco and fajita seasoning. But with summer coming, we're gonna be grilling out almost every night of the week. So just having that stuff on hand makes for real easy dinners. And then last but not least, face cream. So definitely Thrive doesn't just have food, they have lots of beauty products too. I buy shampoo, conditioner, all kinds of stuff. But this is just a moisturizer. I was in the market and needed some new moisturizer, so we'll give this one a try. And that is it. One of the reasons why I love Thrive Market is the accessibility for all of the keto products. And the main thing is, here in Texas, I don't have that problem. I can go to a grocery store. I've got about 12 grocery stores within a mile of my house. And specifically when I go to New Hampshire, I can't find probably 3/4 of the stuff that I can get here. So Thrive Market is one of the main reasons I originally signed up, is because I was in New Hampshire and I couldn't get a lot of the baking flours, the sweeteners, and stuff like that that are keto friendly. So Thrive Market makes that so if you live in the middle of nowhere like I do, you can still get everything you need to stay keto. So you can use my special link down below for all the details, but there's 2 membership options. You can try it out and do $9.95 per month, Or the second option would be to pay for it all at once, and that actually saves you a little bit more, and it's a roughly $5 a month. So you're gonna save that in like one item. Like specifically, my vitamins that I get for my kids, each bottle of the vitamin gummies is about $5 savings each time, every time I order. So you're gonna make up that membership price pretty quick. So anyways, that's my favorite reason why I am a Thrive Market member, and I also have the annual membership. So anyways, link below for more information on that, and thank you Thrive for sponsoring this video. Now let's go to the afternoon coffee. Alrighty, so it is afternoon coffee time. I'm gonna open up my Carb Manager app. We're going to log my coffee using the barcodes. So you could obviously search these items, or you could make a big time saver using the barcodes. So let me move that out of the way. So in my coffee, I have black coffee, and then I have 2 tablespoons of half and half. I normally do heavy cream when I'm on keto, but I was doing low carb last month, and we're gonna use the rest of the half and half. So, and then I use a scoop of Perfect Keto unflavored collagen. So, all right, so under snack 1 in my log, I'm gonna hit add snack, and up here at the top, you're gonna see a little barcode scanner. Press that, and trying to do that and hold my phone. All you're gonna do is hold it up to the barcode, and in that general area, it will come right up, see? And then you're gonna change your quantity if you have like 7 scoops or something. But I just do 1 scoop, hit add. And I repeat the same process, hit the little barcode scanner, and scan the half and half. Oop, you gotta turn it this way. Half and half. And also double check with the back of the label and the nutrition facts with what comes up. Sometimes people enter this in wrong, so it's important to pay attention to that step. Currently I have 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons, an ounce, whichever conversion you want to use. And that is how easy you log your food using a barcode. So as of right now, today, this is my macros. It is currently 3 o'clock, and we will resume dinner, and you'll see how I do the rest. Okay, so it's dinner time, and we're doing something real easy. We have softball practice, so I like to do this and make these chicken meatballs up ahead of time, and then it's as easy as just assembling it all when it's time for dinner. So let me turn the camera around and let you see what we're having for dinner. So here are the chicken meatballs. They are going to be dipped in hot sauce with butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm that up in the microwave, and it'll just be the dip. So then I have sliced cucumber, and I have grilled peppers and onions on the grill right now. I have homemade ranch dressing to dip in, and also I have green beans ready to be dished out. So it's a real quick and easy dinner tonight. My kids love this because they like to dip. If you haven't tried, if your kids don't like vegetables, definitely try dipping in some ranch. That's what I did when they first started, when they were babies, and they will eat just about any vegetable. So, especially if there's ranch around. So it's a good trick. I do measure out their ranch, so it's not like a free-for-all, because my kids would like eat a cup of ranch with like 1 cucumber. So make sure you measure it out, and then they know they can dip, and that's all they get. When it's out, it's out. So they're gonna dip their chicken balls in ranch as well. So anyways, I'm gonna assemble the plate, and I'll let you see the finished product. Alrighty, so I have 6 ounces of chicken meatballs with hot sauce and butter. Then I have raw cucumbers. I have plain green beans with just garlic, salt, and pepper. And I have roasted green peppers, red peppers, and onions with a little avocado. So that is tonight's dinner. Yum, yum. Alrighty, so here we are for the day. I have nearly hit my protein goals. I had 162 grams of protein. I'm 12 short, but I didn't kill myself in my workout today, so I'm not going to stress about that. I am under 6 grams of fat for my goals, for my fat goal. I'm cool with that. I have 34 calories left of my calories. I had roughly 1,707 calories, and I am 7 grams over in net carbs, but I'm also not going to sweat that because most of that came from vegetables. So as you can see from lunch earlier, that is all logged here. We'll move on to dinner. I had my buffalo chicken meatballs. My recipe is down below. along with the ranch dressing and anything else you saw in this video. I've linked it below. My raw cucumber, I had Italian green beans and red peppers and green bell peppers with onions sauteed in avocado oil. I have my afternoon coffee, and also I didn't show you, I snuck a protein shake in, and that's the Perfect Keto vanilla whey protein powder, and then 10 ounces of unsweetened almond milk, and also another scoop of the Naked Whey protein isolate. So that's what got me to my macro goals today. And yeah, that was a pretty easy and pretty typical day of eating for me. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm Jess, you're watching Keto Rewind.